You are already earning great Google reviews. Let's use them to make more money in your business. If your Google reviews are stuck on your Google business profile page, they are not helping your website convert. Make your website more attractive using the reviews you already have so you get more quotes, more calls, and more sales. Coming up in this video, you'll learn 5 areas of your website to update so your reviews boost calls and quote requests without having to redo your entire site. I reviewed 100 landscaping websites, and to my horror, I discovered something awful. Imagine buying a $500 tool to make your life easier and then never using it. That's what most business owners do with their Google reviews. They earn them, but then they don't use them where it can have the biggest impact on their revenue, their website. Those 100 landscaping websites I mentioned, only 33% of them use their hard-earned Google reviews on their site, and none of them use the reviews in their copy, not one. Every single one of them is missing a simple, free way to stand out and boost conversions. Remember, your Google reviews aren't just compliments. They're actually signaling to other humans that you are a safe and trusted choice. When someone visits your site and sees that other people trust you, it helps them to feel they can trust you too. And when they feel they can trust you, they're more likely to request a quote from you. That is a psychological principle at work called social proof. So how do you use your Google reviews for maximum impact? Your hero section is that first screen that visitors see at the top of your homepage. That's prime real estate. Adding your Google review and the number of reviews you've received is a simple yet extremely effective way to build trust with your new visitor. So you can see here in this landscaping website, right at the top, they've got how many Google reviews they've received and their rating. Fantastic way of being able to build trust quickly with your new visitor. When you use a line from a Google review as a headline or a subheadline, you'll be doing what no one else is doing, and yet it has an enormous impact on your visitor. Now, what you can do with your Google reviews is use them as headlines. Those testimonials in headlines hit people immediately. It is a fast and effective way of building trust. So what we've done here is we've taken a testimonial and put it as a headline on a homepage. And we've also included their image and name as well as where it came from. But if we wanted to really up level this, we can also keep that testimonial as a headline and include right here on the bottom in this banner, this colored banner, another testimonial. That's another very effective way of hitting that new visitor twice with proof that you are a trusted and excellent option for them. Adding a testimonial from a Google review around your call to action buttons is another fantastic strategy to nudge someone to click. We have added a testimonial right above this button, and that's what you want to be doing. Around your call to actions, take short testimonials and put them above, below, to the side of those buttons. What it does is it helps to address those concerns, those doubts and fears going on unconsciously in your visitor's mind. Use those testimonials to address specific things. Like here, it talks about how they confirmed the date and the time, that they were on time, they were thorough, they were detailed. This is going to help bring down their fears, their concerns, and click that button. Humans hesitate completing a form. Why is that? Because filling out a form is a bigger commitment than passively reading copy on your site or looking at pictures. They are now forced to make a decision about how serious they are about you. And unconsciously, their brains are thinking, what's going to happen if I submit this form? How long will I have to wait? And will I end up regretting this decision? Adding a testimonial from a Google review around your forms can lessen lessen their concerns and make it more likely they will contact you. So you can see we have a form, and forms are difficult sometimes for people to fill out because it means they're having to make a decision about how serious they are to work with you. It's going to be a lot of time, it's going to cost a lot of money, and their brain starts going, are you sure you want to do this? So we want to encourage them to complete that form and hit submit. And one of the ways we nudge them to do that is by putting a testimonial beside that button that addresses some of that doubt that's going on in their mind. What I love about trust and credibility bars is that they're very, very helpful for people who make decisions quickly. By gathering information from your Google reviews and then summarizing that information using numbers and icons, quick decision makers can quickly grasp information that nudges them to contact you. So you can see here that we have what's called a proof bar or a credibility bar. They are quick nuggets of information that are excellent for people who are quick decision makers and those that are visual learners. So we've got here how long customers have been with us. You may not get this from a Google review, but hopefully you are tracking that internally. This is something you can definitely get from your Google reviews. You count how many 5 stars you've gotten. If you have a lot of 5 stars, put that up. And professionalism rating. These kinds of information are also in your Google reviews. Not all reviews are high converting. Things like Joe and his team were great is nice and it's short, but it isn't something your visitors care about at all. They care about service that's fast, friendly, seamless, or budget friendly. If you really want to make your website more attractive, only use the parts of a review that mention things your customers care about. But here's the thing, you could have all the trust signals in the world and it might not be enough. People also need to know you're competent at what you do. So if you want to keep building trust and make people feel even more confident about choosing you, watch this next video where I walk you through 9 creative ways to clearly signal that you deliver excellent results.